Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how we can download Monopoly Go in iPhone. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the App Store. Next, you will see search button. You have to click on that and type Monopoly Go. Next, you will see download option there. You have to click on that. And depending on your internet speed, it might take few seconds to few minutes. So Monopoly Go is an online game in which you can play with your friends. So this is Monopoly Go. You can click on I agree and you can play with your friends. So this is how you download Monopoly Go in iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.